Welcome to our design element pack. This is primarily made for Adobe users, to be precise, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. So all you need as a graphic designer, you will find it here, both amateurs and then professionals. Even if you've designed for many years, you still find a lot of useful design elements and effects here. So let's take a look at the folders and what they have. This is the preset folders. Okay, here you'll be seeing brushes. Okay, these are a collection of brushes. This is 20 route sign brushes. These are 20 metal brushes, 20 old metal brushes, 20 stone. So they are just a collection of brushes. Okay, so this is a color swatch. Okay, we are having a good number of it here, the ones you need for your designs, number of it. So these are gradients. This folder is having a file with about 450 web Photoshop gradients, and you can see this one is having 156 web gradient for Photoshop. So this one is having 105, this one is having 30. So they are a collection of gradients you need for your designs. So these are a collection of styles. Styles, you can apply it to your text and other stuff. They are a collection of styles. This one is having 10 kind extra light text effects. So they are collection, they are not single files anyway. They are a collection. So these are brushes. So about 218 brushes. There are more because some of them are collection of brushes. So these are the presets you see in our design element pack, and also these are the design elements. So this is the wedding elements. Okay, you can see it. These are EPS files. When you open it, you can choose to a kind of take out this hat or take out the lights or anything you wish to take from this design and add it from this file rather and add it to your design. This is the abstract hat. You can pick out here, you can pick the flowers here, or you can pick out anything you wish. So these are the files for your wedding designs. There are a lot of things you can pick out here. Here you can pick out the heart, the stars, anything of your choice. You can pick it out and use it for your designs. So these are the files, the elements you see. If you are not new to Photoshop or to Adobe Illustrator EPS file, you know that all these elements we are gathered together to make a single file, and you can choose to take out any of these elements here. Okay, so here we have business cards. Okay, these are business card templates you can easily edit and use for your business card. I believe you can see it. Okay, these are corporate packages. These are envelopes. Okay, these are corporate envelopes. Okay, they are the templates. You can always edit it and make it unique. Okay, these are corporate packages. It's having the letterhead, the card, the envelope, DVD files, and the likes. So is this one, corporate identity. Corporate identity. Okay, so these are other corporate packages. It's having letterhead, envelope, and then the likes. So that is what it looks like. Okay, so that is for the corporate package. Here we are having flyers. Okay, here we are having flyers. You can see flyers and brochure. So these are templates you can easily edit and then personalize it for your design. And one good thing about these files is, like I said earlier, you can pick out any elements here and then apply it to your own design. So that is what it looks like. These are flyers and brochures. So these are floral. This thing is actually very important for designers. You see these flowers here, you can actually extract any, most especially this decorative element. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, that decorative element, there are unlimited things you can use this for. If you open it up, all these little flowers here in this decorative element, you can use it, attach it to a text, and then solidify it to create a font. Most especially wedding designs and the like. There are unlimited things you can do with this floral files. Unlimited. So it can take you as far as your creativity can go. So that is it. Even if it is just this decorative element, just these two files can go a long way in your designs. So that is for the floral. These are icons. Okay, these are icons. So you can see it, both warning icon, all icon you can think of, you will find it here. Any icon at all that you'll be needing for your designs, they are all here. Like I said, these are collections. They are collection of icons. This single file is having a number of icons inside it. So that is it. They are a collection of icons, as you can see. So these are the things you get here. They work perfectly well. This is for location. I think it's a single file if I'm not mistaken. So these are icons. Okay, these are lights. For your designs, sometimes you need lights. If you open up this file, you can actually pick up one or two files. One or two elements from it. Okay, you can see the lights. You can add it up, the stars. You can add it up to your design to create amazing designs. So these are lights and stars, the EPS files. These are ribbons. Okay, these are ribbons. Okay, you can see the ribbons here. Okay, they are all EPS files. Okay, EPS works on Illustrator. Both EPS and AI, they are for Adobe Illustrator. These are web buttons. I believe you can see it. They are web buttons for web designers. Okay, so you can use it to make your website look extraordinarily good. So these are African design elements, African concepts. You can pick out any of these for your designs to give your design an African undertone. These are arrows, more like icons. You can also further use for your designs. Okay, these are background designs. These are elements you can bring out and then add up to your design to make it look beautiful. I believe you can see it. So these are background designs. You can get a lot of elements from here. These are banners and ribbons. I believe you can see it. So all you will need for your design, both as an amateur or professional, is here. With these files, you seriously will not need to start searching the internet for any further stuff to add up to your design elements, because all you will need is here. Once I want to make any design, I just open up this folder, my design element folder, and then gather the materials I'll use for my designs, and boom, I'll have an amazing design at the end of it. So these are other elements you find for your Christmas designs. I believe you can see it here. So these are curves you will need. Okay, These are fonts, these are gift box. I believe you can see the gift box. Okay, so this is globe. These are musical elements you will be needing for your design. For your musical design, these are the musical elements you'll be needing. Believe you can see it. They are musical elements. Okay, so these are notes and vector. These are notes and scrolls. Believe you can see the notes and scrolls. So these are, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called Shillohette, or you can see it here. Okay. These are social media icons, both WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and the likes. These are water effects you'll be needing for your designs, and these are women design elements. So these are all you need for your design, be you amateur or professional. As an amateur, once you have this our design element pack, you have the complete thing you need for your graphic design, for your journey to making good graphic designs. And if you are a professional, then you don't need to search or surf the internet for more design materials, because all the full pack you need is here. Once I want to make design, I just come to these folders and go through it, pick up things that I'll use in making my designs, and boom, you see an amazing design. So that is it. Ensure you don't let this opportunity pass you by. Grab this opportunity. This design pack are very affordable. Get it and then watch how you explore the files and watch how you grow and make better designs. Thanks for your patience. Thank you for watching. See you next time. God bless you.